I have received so many requests on how to troubleshoot Windows update failures, especially how to find the exact error code or identify the issue a machine encounters during installation. So in this video, I will show you the easiest way to find the recent Windows update error codes using a proactive detection and remediation script so that you can understand the problem and follow the right step to fix it. So to do this, first of all, we have to create a proactive detection and remediation script. So let me go to the Intune portal and let me go to the devices and let me click on the scripts and remediations and let's create a script and let's give the name called detect Windows update error. Click on next. And so in the detection script, we have to update the detection script. I have already downloaded the detection script and I will provide you the detection script in the description link. And then you have to update the detection script. And then we have to just enable the option run script in 64-bit PowerShell. Click on next, click on next. And if you want, you can deploy this script on all devices. But for now, for testing purpose, I am going to initiate a on-demand proactive remediation. And I highly recommend you also to first test it in your production environment. If you are getting a proper result, proper information, then only deploy this script in all the devices. Then click on next and click on create. Now we have successfully created the script. Let's go to the all devices, search the test device. My machine name is Windows 11 25H2. And then we have to just run remediation, find the script which you want to deploy and click on run and click on run remediation. And after some time, we will see that if there is any error present on the device while installing the latest Windows update. And now after some time, we can see that the run remediation is showing as completed successfully. And now if we go to the script and search for that script, and if we go to the device status, and we can see that on this machine, there is no issue with the Windows update installation. And we can see that the in pre-remediation detection output, no issue found. If you are able to find any issue, then you will see something like this. We can see that we are able to see that particular error 4 times on this particular machines, and the error code is 800F0984. On the other, we can see that the same error code found for 3 times, and the error code is 800737112. Same thing we can see for other device where we have a error code 800F0820, and on the fourth machine we can see that 800F0991. Now you have a error code available with you for each machines. Using this error code, you can find the root cause and you can try to implement your workaround. So that's all for this video. I will see you soon in my next video.